What's up everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to drive a 2013 Honda Fit. This one weighs about 2,500 pounds, 117 horsepower, 5-speed automatic, front wheel drive, naturally aspirated, 4-cylinder, 1.5 liter. Finally have a beautiful day in Michigan. No snow. Had an opportunity to drive a Honda Fit for the first time. Couldn't pass it up. Let's go ahead and check out the motor real quick, and then we'll take it for a spin. Little 1.5 liter, looks pretty clean. Things look decently accessible, which is nice. Great. Let's check out the back seat, see if I can fit in here. Oh, I can fit pretty well. Got enough headroom. I could see myself being on a road trip in this one. Not too bad. And this is currently the seating position I'm in. I'm about 6 foot tall. I still have plenty of room for my knees. Let's check out the hatch real quick. Oh, plenty of room. Got a spare in there. Yeah, you could fit all your groceries. You could fit 4 suitcases in there comfortably. Alright, let's go ahead and take this one for a spin. My first time driving a Honda Fit. Let's try it out. See if I can find the keys. Here's the keys. 2013 Honda Fit, 4-door red. Let's go ahead and start it up. Nice and quiet, 104,000 miles. Nice. Let's go ahead and take it for a quick spin. So right off the bat, I do notice I'm sitting up pretty high. Feels pretty comfortable so far. Let's go ahead and take this road. Go ahead and take my earmuffs off because of the wind outside. Alright, let's go ahead and give it some acceleration. That was a 0 to 60. Let's take this curve. Brakes a little. Yeah, nice and nimble. Yeah, not too bad. Rides down the road just fine. Did I mention this gets 35 miles to the gallon on the highway? It's not too bad. 28 in the city. That's great. Yeah, I consider one of these for a commuter car. Daily driver for sure. You can park anywhere. Gets around in the city really good. Great gas mileage. How could you complain? If I could, I would opt for the 5-speed manual. I think that I could see that being really fun. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think about the 2013 Honda Fit. Because I really don't know much about it. This is all just first impressions. Had an opportunity to drive one. I was like, let's do it. Let's see, I'll slow down here a little bit and then we'll try to hit these curves a little faster. Yeah, it's a nice little car. I was excited when I saw this at the parking lot at work. I was like, damn, a Honda Fit. Never driven one of those. It's got snow tires on it. Should have drove it in the wintertime. Man, it's a beautiful day. So what do you guys think? Would you buy a Honda Fit? I think I would if I found one for the price and it was in good condition and I lived around the city. It'd be a fantastic commuter car. Can't complain about that. Even if it was a 5-speed, I'd like to zip around in one. But I do like Hondas, you know, so I am glad to have had my first experience in a Honda Fit. Well, thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can continue my dream. We have a lot more cool cars coming up for you guys. So I'll catch you on the flip side.